All right, today we're going to go over one tool and one alone. We're going to go over GPT, the paid version, and what we're going to go over specifically is the plugins section. So how do you even get this? First of all, look down here. You have your settings section. You have to actually subscribe for a Plus account. Well worth it. But once you do, you have to go into here. You have to go to settings and beta, and you go to beta features, okay? And then you turn on plugins, the second one, okay? Once you've turned that on, then you go to here, you scroll down and you select plugins. It will not default to plugins. Then you have to choose which plugins you want to activate. There are tons here, okay? Absolutely tons. For instance, there's Instacart. If you have an Instacart account, you can literally type in what you want it to buy and it will go and purchase it. I spent $350 on 8 items that my wife requested and it got none of them. By the which, that was not Instacart's fault. That was all my fault because I asked it to get me better pricing and options, and I just messed it up. It would not have done that. It was all my fault. So you can do tons of stuff here with these plugins. Most of them are useless. All plugins, look at the list. Let's see how many pages there are. Let's go to page 96, 97. It just is the final page right there. Oopsies. Go back. Go down here. You can only have 3 plugins activated at once. But if you do the math here, there's 8 plugins per page. Okay. Oh man, if I move that around, it goes out of it. That is really good to know. Okay, go down to here, plugins. Scroll down, plugin store, all. 96. Okay. And that's a lot of stuff. There's so many different things here too. It goes on and on and on. Using the search will be very helpful. What you should also know is, let's say you wanted to do some research and you were using some of the plugins that allow you to search the internet, like here, insights and summaries for YouTube videos, or anyways, there's a lot. I don't want to get you overwhelmed right out the gates, but let's say you're here and you want to do some web research. So let's find one of these guys that does a decent job of that. This one's a pretty good one. Browses dozens of web pages in a query, fetches information more efficiently. Okay, there's that one. And then I would say another really good one to use, and we'll leave it at that for the moment, okay? But there are so many fun ones, like Show Me Diagrams. It will build an entire diagram for you. Speak, that's second language stuff. You don't need that. There's an AI for that. That's also useful, okay? We'll plug that one in, and let's see if there's any others. Well, let's leave those two. Search for the latest and greatest AI tools that are truly unique and game-changing. This is where I'll show you something you can do with this that makes this really unique. If you have access to a Notion account, you can use this to essentially do all of your research, and then it'll create a web page in Notion, and you can trigger your Notion web page to then send that off to ChatGPT to set up a video script and then build an entire video for you and publish it to YouTube, all from right here. Oh, error communicating with that. So we'll go here and we'll go down to plugins again. Let's see if there's another AI tool we want instead. I think there's a few of these. So let's just go down here. Let's go to the plugin store and let's go to AI. AI agents, extensions, gift finder, AI news roundup, tool hunt. That's a good one. So we'll go over to here. We'll kill this. Let's see. These are listed right here, alphabetical order. Search for the best and most unique AI tools. Okay. We're going to go ahead and do that. And yeah, let's see which one it picks. But this is just a general introduction to plugins. The things you can do with it are innumerable. And the reality of the matter is there really isn't any updated website that's showing you how to do everything right now. So you have to go in here and figure a lot of it out. And there are tools in here that can help you figure out which AI plugins to use. They've even got those plugins. So hopefully that gives you something to work with, and you can go from there.